What up, guys? Mr. ADK here, and I want to introduce you my new to me, 2006 F-350 Power Stroke 6.0 diesel. This is my after pick. I'm going to show you in my future videos what it used to look like, but I have to say, it turned out pretty nice. I gave it some new rims. I put a 4-inch lift kit, and I just had it professionally detailed. These are the old rims, which are for sale, by the way. If anybody's interested, please let me know. But this is my 4-inch country lift kit. Very, very nice. It's like glass. They really did a good job detailing this. I'll show you the interior in a minute, but those are my American Truxx rims and my nice tires. I'll open it up here. Excuse the mess, but this is fully loaded. This is the Lariat edition power leather seats. It's got the embroidery right here. It's got almost every option. It's got a DVD player, navigation, backup camera. It is far best, one of the best trucks I've ever owned. And the reason why I did purchase this truck is because of the back seat. If you guys don't know, I am expecting my 3rd child, and I needed a truck that will be able to fit 3 car seats, and this was it. But guys, I'm going to be doing so many videos on this truck, so please like, subscribe. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. But I'll show you the before and after pictures as well, because like I said, when I bought this car, it did not look like this at all. This was the cheapest F-350 in the country. This got less than 100,000 miles, 2006, and I bought it for $9,500. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.